This is Artificial Intelligence Trader. Yesterday it was a holiday. I could make a little trade because I think there was a little bit time that it was open. So it was around Australian time. This morning I looked again and we made a very big jump in the morning. So we look at the weekly. It is getting near this pivot point here. We don't know if it go up or down. So this morning it made a big window. You can see that here. Let me zoom in. This is the 1 hour. So this morning it jumped very high. I expect it will go down to PP. That is our daily bet. This is the 1 minute. So this really not showing us any data. So this is the 15 minutes. So you see that in the morning it made a big window. So I think it will fill the window, go back where it was this morning, at least. And I hope it. I think it will visit PP. Else it will have to go up to higher levels of in the morning. So then it will do R2 and it will move here. But as we have seen for the previous weeks, it always goes to PP. Of course, yesterday was a special day because it was a holiday and there's a long weekend of holidays. So maybe not, but I expect it will go down because statistically it looks to obey this law. Also, if we look at the weekly, it is still at this range, at this place. This is very important. It will go into the cloud, and you see that the lagging is going a little bit more down, and this is also going straight. So I think this will be more like going into a range also today and maybe this week. We have some news later. Let me see. We will have an American news. Housing prices, S&P chase for housing house prices. So some things about houses. I think not so super important, only 2 stars, but I think we will keep in a range today. The interesting day, my super indicator that I built tells it will go up. It has a weak up power, it says here. Probably because if you look at the previous movement, let me look here. If we look at here the hourly, it sees it sees that it is still here in an uptrend, and it didn't reach the top yet. So the top will be around R2. So we can do that here. We can around R2. The bottom of this big range is around a little bit. You can say S1. But I think if you really look closely, it will be more here. So we are probably at the top. So it will move around. If this range continue, it will be moving like this. So statistically, this is the case. I don't see a big breakout yet in my indicators. So I expect still today to stay in a range. That's not to go. Okay, so that's it today.